Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Jaja sees, Jaja knows, attacking boss. This world is so crazy. So much things going on. So much people losing their life on a daily basis. Where is the love? Where is the love? We need back our love. In times like now, in times like these, we need back our love. I'm calling on my brothers, I'm calling on my sisters, wherever you are. Spread the love, spread the love. No bother with the fussing, no bother with the fighting. Spreading the love. Jaja says, Jaja knows, my viewers and subscribers, big up on the cell, man. Who a laugh, who a big up, who a say attacking boss, you sound like cockroach. You don't know the thing of people freestyle in the morning. You don't know, we have to exercise the voice. They never know, so we artists long time. To them, so we don't see his back. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Some people today are Wednesday. Wednesday, how much NEWLINK? Oh, the 12th of January 2022. Yeah, man. So, right now, I talk about a very sad incident in our people. Now, joke about it, Zane. Because, boy, yesterday, now, on the Tuesday, January 11, people, I covered a story over Trinidad. Where a youth from Trinidad, people, who passed away in the United States of America in a very deadly accident, who is also an Olympian. You understand? Run a man, track and field, you there, sadly. See a lot of Trinidadian reach out on them. See attacking boss, boy, John, we appreciate the, you know, man, the love we show to our artists. And I say, yeah, man, big up on the Trini, okay, I don't know Trini, we play some long time. No joke about it. But literally, the attacking boss know that people, that the previous day, which is the Monday, January the 10th, 2022, people, Jaja says, Jaja knows, a Jamaican national was cut down over in Trinidad, my people. A Jamaican national was cut down, was murdered, was shot, and was killed, my people, who is just 34 years old. And this Jamaican national, people, don't got the thinking in the brain. So look at now, he was a bad boy, he was a gangster, he was a man who affiliated with gangs, you know what I mean, drugs and activities like that. No, people, was a youth, pave him ways in the tourism business, in the hospital industry, my people. A graduate of St. Jago High School in Jamaica, people. Also a graduate of the University of the West Indies in Jamaica, my people. Working his way, people, in the hotel industry, my people, and getting managerial duties from different departments, people, serving other sectors of the hotel industry, my people. And continue his journey, people, to success and stardom. At just the age of 34, people has achieved so much in the tourism industry, my people. Both locally and international, my people. And to tell her that little did he know that his fate, that his journey, that his life would cut short by a little lonesome rat, my people. Jaja says, Jaja knows, my people. So news reaching to the attacking boss now, people, about the sad passing of this 34-year-old young man, people, Jamaican national, who was cut down in Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago, my people. Is that on Monday, up in the evening, was the now, people, January 10, 2022, this Jamaican national, people, in a part of Port of Spain, people, like him stop to go grab some food and something. You know what I mean? Maybe at a local restaurant, one of him local spot them people. And boy, them say a lone man come up to him, people. Fire shots. See? Shot never connect, so he manage and try for run going in him car, my people. And the man chase him. And by the time before he reach in car, people, him beat shot for them people. He managed to crawl and go drop right beside this car, people. And sadly, you know, him gone, people. Video been circulating, you know what I mean? A lot of people see the video. A lot of people who know this man. Some people are speculating and say, boy, the car look familiar like my virgin car, you know. See? Some people never have the idea, because they never think that this man will be killing such a man. Because they know it's a man who normally do his work, do his duties, people. Not a man who mix up in a certain things and this and that. Respectable man who a lot of people know. A lot of people have the most nicest thing to say this man was a friendly man, great man, and you know people. But I'm telling my viewers and subscribers, no matter how good you be on earth to many, to thousands, to millions of people, there can just one person who envy you or who don't see the good you do. You know what I mean? And just look at your good and turn it in a bad way, in a bad concept, my people. And all they do with their wicked heart, people, is think about to take away your future, take away your life, cut away your journey from you, my viewers and subscribers. And sadly, my people, they took out this young man's life. One lone sin thing them say, my people. One lone look at thinking rat. One look at dirty thinking sin thing. No joke about it. Attack, attack, attack. See? Him do it, pan foot, and run pan foot and gone, people. But when I look at this, my viewers and subscribers, I didn't get no information that it was a robbery, that he tried to rob him or anything like that, my people. So basically, police, them still not have nobody in a custody, my people. I don't have no camera there in another part there, because I heard it's in a busy part section over the people, close to KFC and them something in the town over Port of Spain, Trinidad. So I'm saying, where are their cameras? Camera must be there, not show my people. Oh, we know everybody a mask up on face and them something, people. See? Investigation have got connect now, my people. This man working in managerial duties in the industry where we work. You understand? Did he have any problem with anybody? Any business personnel? Any staff? Anything? Did he have any problem, people? Because I'm telling you, my viewers and subscribers, I have seen situation, and to know that, especially when you come from another part, and you're going to another man part to go work, I'm talking country, don't get it wrong, don't get it twisted, you understand? Because sometimes we do take the words and turn them in different format where we want to turn them into, and then you want to attacking boss straighten up that. But I'm saying, you're going to different countries with people to work, and some people just feel like, say, because you come here so to do your thing, you know what I mean? You can't give them no chat. You can't give them no ruling. You have to just obey with them when them do them craziness and their slackness and everything, my people. Which it should not be like that. People must learn to respect people. I'm not saying it authorized. I authorize no one to go in any man place, any man territories, any man country to disrespect them. Because everybody should be treated equal and treated fair. And the same way you want to be treated in life, you have to treat others the same. Because you can't expect to deal with people dirty, expect people to deal with them nice. No, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. See it? But I'm saying, my people, this man was set up, people. See? And he have any relationship, I don't know, is, him side where I'm choosing up people. Because I don't know people, I know these people do all type of things. I mean, I'm going to say this man did that do with E or did that do with she. I don't know people, what people want to live. That's their life. But I'm saying, you have any problem with any relationship, any disagreements, anything that go on, him take with anybody woman, him take with anybody hand. You get what I'm saying, my people, what is behind this? A youth people pave his way, gearing up his thing, pushing forward people. I've seen some great pictures with this man, people in the hospitality industry. And to know that I am a man myself who work in this industry, my people. And I love see when people step up and push them way, because that's all I do to people. I pave my way from nothing and pushing it up to something and continue my journey, my people, every day. And to see a young man who was doing the same, my people, and to know the manner how he was killed and how he was cut down. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And one thing I gotta say, you see uno people. I mean I gotta say uno, but basically it's uno. Because when I see this people, this is not one man plot, Because you see something like this people, you see they look at dirty thinking, thing them behind the people. Who to tell? You know how much them get, people? You know how much them get? Jaja sees, Jaja knows that them get people never can buy a night dinner, good people. You understand? No, because they are hungry. And they just want to get rid of people, especially knowing that you're from another section. You're from another core. You get what I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers? And see what they have done? And me I tell you now, an attack for uno wicked ones. Zane and police, investigators over in Trini, all of you all. Listen to what the attacking boss is saying. I want you all to conduct your deep investigations into this. I want you to dig deep. I want you to plunge deep into this. And you see the perpetrators them behind it. You see the wicked one them behind it who take out this Jamaican national 3 points. Zane, and to know the fact that I received information that this young man was a great man, young man who not involved in a problem, working class young man, and that's why his death is a surprise to many, even Trinidad nationals. So I'm saying, from me personally, the attacking boss himself, the one and only NEWLINK production, I'm saying I want you to dig deep and conduct your investigations into this. Because this one need to pull up. This one need to be solved. See? People must not feel like they can come take with people 3 points like that. Nah, it don't work, sir. You are God, you blow breath in a man, but you want to come take up, man. Hey, attack for your own, you know. You say you a piece of same thing, you rock. Hey. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. The people, this world is crazy. And people now in a love inside. You get what me I say? And you can't trust nobody. Don't trust friend, co-worker. Yo, me say not trust nothing to my people. When my granny who pass away and gone, I say, I say trusted long time. And I'm not talking about trust in the supermarket, in the grocery store, at the hardware shop, at the restaurant, not on the street side who selling. I'm talking I can't trust nobody. TRUST, trust. Don't trust no one, my people. Enough love, enough respect, and big up on yourself. And for the people who are going to say attacking boss, I love your song, I love your tune, I need to release some song. Big up on yourself and love, enough love. You understand? We soon do some music, my people. At this time, you know. We just wait for your producer link me and say NEWLINK, I want to do a song with you. But me not rush nothing, me not run down nothing with people because I've been there in music already. You know what I mean? Been to most of these big studios I can't think of, and I've been there, my people. I've been there. I know it go. You know what I mean? And me talking about my story, them who was a fan of NEWLINK on the sword, me talk story something about my personal life. When we hear me talk them things, and I've been there, people. But you don't know when a real producer link me and say NEWLINK we want to do some work. You know what I mean, people? Then we come together and we do some work. But me not rush nothing. We just go and do it same way, people. The talent is here, the life is here, and all of them what them are doing in music, me can do, people. The chop, dance, all everything me can do. Very talented youth. You see me? Yeah, man, me a youth will train my voice and do all of them something, my people. Ever, you know, a Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. Be good and be safe out there, people. Jamaican national, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. R.I.P. youth. You know what I mean? R.I.P. People, peace out and love and respect, you know. You don't know the thing go. Remember to do like, do share, do comment and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Love you all. Big up.